Hi, I am Akinshola Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are quickly going to add foot twist. And when I say foot twist, this is what I mean. This kind of movement, you see? Yeah, this is what we're gonna add now. Okay, so go back to frame 1 and I want to twist this foot. That should be on the Y axis. Let's see, rotate Y. Okay, so rotate Y. So I think I should go with this minus 19. If this is too much, we're still going to come back and dial it down. So set the keyframe there. I want to go to rotate Y, shift H, A to select everything, period key to frame, and I have that. So as soon as the foot plants, that's on frame 4, I want to zero out that value. So rotate Y should be 0. Okay, so this is cool. And plants. So tilted and plants. And it's going to hold this until frame 16 before the character's foot starts leaving the ground. Yeah, so I'm going to hold the 0 until that part. And copy frame 1, go to frame 25, paste on frame 25, go back to frame 16 and delete all the keyframes between frame 16 and frame 25. So you have that. Okay. So now I want you to take note of how fluid and interesting the character's right foot is compared to the left foot. Okay, you see how it lands? Lands with the side first and then the in foot. So cool, this is very, very lovely. I love this. So it's time to replicate this on the second foot as well. So let's do the same thing. I want to select the foot heel for the left foot and go to frame 1. Let's see. I need the contact frame, which is this frame 13. Okay, so it's contacting here. What value was used for the first one? I need to be very sure of that. Rotate Y minus 19. Okay, so then frame 13. Rotate Y, shift H, A frame, Y minus 19. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to have plus 19. Yeah, and then set a keyframe there. Okay, A to select all, period key to frame again. So minus 19 there. And as it lands, I want it at 0, which is fine. This is 0. So hold the 0 until the character's foot starts leaving the floor. So 4 would still be 0. That's fine. 4 would still be 0, and this should not be 0 again. So that means I'm just going to delete everything in between 4 and 13. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. So land and twists. Cool. Lovely. Now see how interesting our character's foot is already looking. I love this already. So this is how you get a very good walk cycle. It's a step after another. Yes, and with patience, I'm sure you're going to get something very, very nice at the end of the day. So let's go back to our front view, Control O. And this is where we're going to call this a wrap. In the next lesson, we'll continue making our walk cycle better and fluid. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.